Hi, my name is Bill, and today I'm showing you how to replace the ice crusher housing on your refrigerator. The reason why you might have to replace the housing is because it's cracked or damaged, or because it's getting jammed up with the auger and it's not dispensing ice properly. For this repair, you'll need a 1/4-inch nut driver, a flathead screwdriver, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Warning: before doing any repairs, please disconnect your power source. For this demonstration, I'll be using an Electrolux refrigerator. This is a side-by-side fridge. Keep in mind though that your fridge may be a little bit different, but the same technique should still apply. To start this repair, we're going to open up our freezer, remove this shelf here, and we're going to take out our ice bin, which houses our ice auger and all the wonderful stuff that goes with it. So to take this apart, we're going to start with screws. With our Phillips head screwdriver, we're just going to undo these two here. And then we're going to start with this side. Now we've got those 4 screws off. Take off the front plastic piece and set that off to the side. Now we're going to take our 1/4-inch nut driver and we're going to remove these screws. Now that we've got those 3 screws off, we can take our E-ring right here and we can pry that off. Just take a flathead screwdriver, just like that. Be careful not to lose any parts. And now that that's off, the ice crusher housing is free and we can just pull that right out. Now you can grab your new OEM replacement housing. If you don't have one already, you can buy one on our online store. Now we can put the ice crusher housing back on. What we want to do is make sure it's somewhat lined up here. Feed this through here. Now that we've got those back on, we can put this washer back on and our little E-ring. And to get that back on, it's a little tight right there, just like that. And make sure everything spins properly. And now we'll put the front back on. There you go. Alright, now we can open our freezer back up, slide this back into place. Just like that. Put this shelf back up top. And your repair is complete. Finally, don't forget to plug in your appliance. If you need to replace any parts for your appliances, you can find an OEM replacement part on our website, PCApplianceRepair.com. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to like, comment, and share our video. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us make more videos just like these for you to watch for free.